Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. What if one simple habit, something you can do for free, anywhere, could transform your body, brain, mood, sleep, and even your lifespan? No pills, no gym membership, no complicated routine, just walking 10,000 steps a day. Science shows this daily movement can trigger powerful changes inside your body that most people never realize. Here are 25 unexpected benefits of walking 10,000 steps a day, and the last ones might shock you. 1. Boosts your brain power. Walking increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients that help neurons function better. Research shows regular walking can improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. A brisk walk also stimulates the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a molecule that helps grow new brain cells. In simple terms, walking daily literally helps build a stronger brain. 2. Reduces anxiety. Walking naturally lowers stress hormones like cortisol. At the same time, it boosts endorphins and serotonin, chemicals that stabilize mood. Studies show even a 10 to 15-minute walk can significantly reduce feelings of anxiety. That's why psychologists sometimes call walking nature's anti-anxiety pill. 3. Improves heart health. Walking strengthens the heart just like other forms of aerobic exercise. It improves circulation, lowers blood pressure, and reduces LDL cholesterol. Research shows people who walk regularly have significantly lower risk of heart disease. In fact, consistent walking can cut cardiovascular risk by up to 30%. 4. Helps you burn fat. Walking may seem simple, but it's incredibly effective for fat loss. Sustained walking keeps your body in the fat-burning metabolic zone. Over time, consistent daily steps can significantly reduce body fat percentage. The secret isn't intensity, it's consistency. 5. Improve sleep quality. Walking helps regulate circadian rhythms and improve sleep cycles. Exposure to daylight while walking also helps synchronize your internal clock. People who walk daily fall asleep faster and experience deeper sleep. One habit during the day can dramatically improve your nighttime recovery. 6. Strengthens your immune system. Moderate daily exercise boosts immune cell circulation throughout the body. This helps your immune system detect and fight infections faster. Studies show people who walk regularly get fewer respiratory illnesses. Your daily walk becomes a natural immune booster. 7. Lowers risk of type 2 diabetes. Walking helps muscles use glucose more efficiently. This improves insulin sensitivity and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Even short walks after meals significantly reduce blood sugar spikes. That makes walking one of the simplest tools for metabolic health. 8. Strengthens your bones. Weight-bearing activities like walking stimulate bone growth. This helps maintain bone density and reduce risk of osteoporosis. The effect becomes even more important as people age. Every step is literally strengthening your skeleton. 9. Improves creativity. Ever notice your best ideas appear during a walk? Stanford researchers found walking increases creative thinking by up to 60%. Movement activates brain networks linked to imagination and problem solving. That's why many famous thinkers relied on daily walks. 10. Reduces risk of depression. Walking increases dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins. These neurotransmitters play a major role in emotional stability. Studies show regular walking can be as effective as mild antidepressants for some people. Movement literally changes your brain chemistry for the better. 11. Improved digestion. Walking after meals stimulates gastrointestinal movement. This helps food travel through the digestive tract more efficiently. As a result, people experience less bloating and indigestion. Even a short walk can help your body digest food faster. 12. Boosts energy levels. Ironically, moving more can make you feel less tired. Walking improves oxygen flow and circulation throughout the body. This supports cellular energy production. Instead of draining energy, walking actually creates it. 13. Helps you live longer. Large population studies show a strong link between daily steps and longevity. People who walk more tend to have lower mortality rates. Even moderate increases in daily steps significantly extend lifespan. Walking may be one of the simplest longevity habits known. 14. Improves joint health. Walking lubricates joints by increasing synovial fluid movement. This helps reduce stiffness and maintain mobility. It can also strengthen the muscles that support joints. Ironically, gentle movement often reduces joint pain. 15. Enhances mood instantly. Walking activates the brain's reward system. Within minutes, mood-boosting chemicals begin circulating. That's why many people feel noticeably better after a short walk. It's one of the fastest ways to reset your mood. 16. Improves lung capacity. Regular walking strengthens respiratory muscles. This allows your lungs to expand more efficiently. Over time, oxygen exchange improves throughout the body. Better breathing means better performance everywhere else. 17. Supports healthy weight maintenance. Walking burns calories while preserving muscle mass. It's also easier to maintain long-term compared to intense workouts. Consistency is what drives lasting weight control, and walking is one of the most sustainable exercises. 18. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases. Regular walking helps lower inflammatory markers in the body. This supports long-term cardiovascular and metabolic health. In simple terms, walking helps your body stay balanced internally. 19. Improves balance and coordination. Walking strengthens stabilizing muscles in the legs and core. This improves posture and balance over time. Better balance reduces risk of falls, especially later in life. Every step is actually training your stability. 20. Increases vitamin D exposure. Walking outdoors exposes your skin to sunlight. Sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D naturally. Vitamin D supports bone health, immune function, and mood. A simple walk can help correct a global vitamin deficiency. 21. Sharpens focus. Movement increases activity in the prefrontal cortex. This area controls attention and decision-making. People who walk regularly often report better concentration. Your brain literally switches on during movement. 22. Slows cognitive aging. Walking helps preserve brain volume in aging adults. This protects areas responsible for memory and learning. Long-term studies link daily walking to reduced dementia risk. In other words, walking may help protect your brain as you age. 23. Strengthens your core. Walking activates abdominal and lower back muscles. These muscles stabilize your spine during movement. Over time, posture and core strength improve. So every walk is actually a hidden core workout. 24. Improves social connection. Walking with friends or family encourages conversation. Social interaction plays a huge role in mental health and longevity. Group walks strengthen relationships while improving health. You're not just exercising, you're building connection. And last but not the least, it's one of the most sustainable habits ever. Many fitness routines fail because they're too extreme. Walking is simple, accessible, and easy to maintain. That's why long-term studies consistently show high adherence. The best habit isn't the hardest, it's the one you actually keep doing. Now it's your turn. Put on your sneakers and start walking today. Even 1,000 steps is better than none. Comment below which benefit shocked you the most and share this with a friend who needs a daily boost. Don't forget to follow for more simple hacks that can change your body and brain step by step. Thank you for watching. See you next time.